Hello and welcome back. We got another question. Wow, crazy. Let's have a look at this one. The surface area of a sphere is given by the formula SA, surface area, equals 4 pi r squared, where r is the radius of the sphere. What is the radius of a sphere that has a surface area equal to 500 centimeters squared? Answer correct to the nearest millimeter. Ooh, alrighty then. Well, let's just write down the formula to begin with. SA equals 4 pi r squared. What do we know? We know the surface area. It tells us the surface area is equal to 500 centimeters squared. And we want to, what do we want to find? We want what is the radius? So we want r. So first of all, we know it, the surface area, and we want to find r. Alrighty, well let's sub in surface area for 500. So 500 equals 4 pi r squared. And r is what we want to get on its own. So we've got to do a bit of algebraic rearranging. We've got a few things that are happening to r. We've got a 4 pi, which is a little multiplication in between them. And we've got this squared up here. So we want to get rid of the weakest operation, just applying reverse BOMDAS or PEMDAS, whatever you call it. And the weakest thing here is going to be the multiplication. So we want to divide both sides by 4 pi. So we'll get 500 divided by 4 pi equals r squared. Now we can get rid of the squared, and the opposite of a square is a square root. So that'll be the square root of 500 over 4 pi. And that will equal r. And I know that some of you watching right now are saying, no, that ain't right. You're missing something. And, I might be. We need a plus and minus here. But because we're dealing with a real life value here, measurement, a radius, we can't have a negative radius. So we can ignore the negative radius for now. Maybe you'd want to make a comment, radius cannot be negative. So you accept the positive root. That's up to you. That depends on how deep you want to go. Well, now we just got to put this in our calculator. And one thing that's really nice is if you just have, if you save all your rearrange until the end and you just put the thing in your calculator as a single step, it just reduces the chances for any calculation errors. And if you put this in your calculator, you'll get around 6.31 if you round it. And we don't want to forget that we want, what color should I choose? Ooh, purple. Nice. The nearest millimeter. So this right now, this is in centimeters because our area was in centimeters squared, so our radius is in centimeters. To get this into millimeters, we just need to multiply by 10. So this will be 63 millimeters, and that will be our radius. And if you wanted to, you could verify your solution, you could check it out, you could see if your surface area equals 4 pi r squared. And if we sub in our radius as 6.31 squared, well, I'll let you tell me. What do you get? Do you get 500 or something pretty close? Let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, that's all the time we've got for today, and I'll see you next time.